Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to walk you through a digital marketing agency CRM system, and in case you don't know, I'm your favorite low-code no-code developer and my name is Daisy. So this is a multi-step automation in Zapier that has conditional parts, and I'm going to quickly run you through what they all do. So let's get right into it. So the first step here is a Google form that will be filled, and when this form is filled, this is what the form looks like. You have your email, first name, last name, list of products or services you need that you want to patronize. You will tick as much as you want that you want to patronize from the digital marketing agency. Then where did you find out about us? You tick where exactly you heard from about us. What's your budget? Is it the starter pack? Is it the mid-tier pack? And then description of what you want. So when you fill that form, the form will go and be populated in our CRM. Our CRM, in this case, we are using Airtable. So the sample of what we did, the first form sample we filled, this was the response. Then multiple products were picked, we listed where we were found, the budget we have, and a description of what we want. We are a new brand, and we're looking to start up our digital marketing presence on a good scale. We're looking to launch next month, but we want to put things in order this month, so we start off seamlessly by next month with no hitches. So when that one was filled from the form and all of those informations were populated in Airtable, now we go to ChatGPT. What does ChatGPT do? ChatGPT classifies the text. So let's check what classified text does. Classify your text into one of your provided categories. So this helps us group our text into different categories that we want. What do I mean by that? So what text do we want to classify? The description of what the needs of the prospective clients or the leads are. So what categories are we looking to classify that text into? Is it a hot lead? Is it a cold lead? Is it a warm lead? What does that mean? By warm leads, maybe their needs are not very urgent. Maybe they just want to make inquiries. By cold leads, maybe just inquiries, nothing serious and all that. By hot leads, their needs are a matter of urgency. They want to hit the ground running and all that. So what ChatGPT AI does in this case is to analyze that text and classify it into which of these leads they fall under. We pick our model, we pick the number of tokens we want, and all these other settings, and we test. When we test, it will tell us what category. It's already classified the category as warm leads. By what you read, you can see that it's not a matter of urgency, so it classified it as warm leads. I mean, they are looking to start next month. They're not looking to start immediately. They don't look very desperate. So ChatGPT classifies it so that it helps the agency to know how to attend to each one. So when that happens, we put it into a Google Sheet. Now, the reason why you might be asking, why are we putting it into a Google Sheet when we've already used Airtable? I'll tell you. So when we go to our Google Sheet, aside the fact that all the list of everything is in there, their email, first name and everything, you can see that the lead classification is here. And remember, the lead classification happens after it has entered the CRM tool and it's been analyzed by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the next thing after the CRM tool here. So when the analysis is done, you can still put ChatGPT here, maybe to update this record. You can anything. I mean, there are no strict rules to automation in Zapier, so you can still use this and update it. But why I did not use that is because I want to see their first response. I want to be able to see what their first response are before they are being classified. And that was why I went for Google Sheets to see it. I could still use Airtable, but I'm trying to flex and use as much other tools out there than just being streamlined with using just Airtable for this. So when their whatever they have imputed in the description has been classified by ChatGPT, so before we go that, we'll pick our Google Drive from where we want, the sheet we want, the name of the sheet, the tab, the email that should be responded, the email that the respondents filled, the first name, last name, and just everything that they filled, and the leads category, because we want the leads category in the Google Sheet. Then you go ahead to test it. Excuse me. You go ahead to test it, and this is the outcome of what will be populated in the sheet. Now, this is where the work is. In the parts, you'll see that it's categorized into various parts: hot leads, warm leads, and cold leads. In this cold leads, what this does is that it picks custom rules. By custom rules, we are going to give it what should it contain. Choose the type of rules that for this part. For this part, we want that if the category, only if categories, you have to pick something here. Is it which of them do you want to pick is category? Only if category is picked and it contains hot leads. So when you pick the category and the category contains hot leads, send an email. We have special emails to be sent by people who are filled, and ChatGPT has analyzed their text to be hot leads. So we added their emails here. From who? This is a sample email. From name, this is the name of the agency, the name of the digital marketing agency. Who are they going to be replying to? You could put your email or your work email, anything. So what's the subject? Let's get started on growing your business. Body type, plain. Hi, first name, because you want it to be customized. You don't want to just say hi, you want to customize it by their first name that they filled in the Google form. In the Google form. We'll say, thank you for reaching out to Commies Agency. We're excited about the opportunity, blah 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 blah. We would love to discuss a tailored strategy for. We now highlighted the list of products that they picked when they were filling the Google form. That makes it more personalized and makes them know that you read their message and you're looking to respond. So you tell them, let's connect. Click below to book a free consultation. This is where you could just attach your Calendly link or any form of call formats you use. So you say, we're confident we can help you see real results. We can't wait to partner with you. So you can just give a closing remark, and when you're done, you send them an email. Exactly what has been done here will also be done in the warm emails, in the warm leads. The only difference is that in the warm leads, the emails that are being sent out to them are different from what will be sent out to those in the hot leads. What do I mean? We are still going to categorize only if category. We'll come back and click on ChatGPT, click on category, click here, warm leads, only if it contains warm leads, right? So when it does contain warm leads, you continue, and okay, here is where, it's here we're writing the email. So you come here, the same step for the email format for hot leads. The only difference is the subject will be different and the body. The subject is, here's how we can help you. So you say, hi, the first name, thank you for considering Commies Agency to help you with your marketing goals. We've reviewed your inquiry and would love to share more information about how we can assist. We add, this is where you click to add the one you want, the reference to what you're going to do. So what this does is that each person will receive messages personalized to them according to what they filled. Instead of you to come out here and be looking at what they filled and be typing it out, you will just dynamically put it in here, and it fits into the need of every user per time. So we're excited to work with you, and we look forward to helping you, because this is not an urgent need. You are not putting any Calendly link to book any call. Best regards, Commies Agency. And that's it. If you have attachment, maybe an invoice or something, you can always attach that here, but for the sake of this, I don't want to overkill the project. Then you go ahead and test. We are going to test through all of this later. I just want to run you through all that there is in doing this project. So we do the same for code leads. Categorize it with custom rules too. Pick category and let the category be what and you write what it should contain. So this one you have to add, just like the every other one, you have to add, you have to type out what the text category should contain. Is it warm leads? And you have to pay attention to spellings. If what you fed the ChatGPT up there in the classification of text is cold leads with an S, make sure you're doing the same. If you use the capital letter, make sure you're using capital letter here so that it understands what it's expected to do, right? So you do the same thing here. You continue and you go to the email. The same way we configured hot leads, warm leads, we'll do the same. The only difference will be the subjects and the body of the email. So the subject is resources to help you get started. Because it's a cold lead, doesn't look like they want something very, very urgent. You just go ahead and just say, thank you for reaching out to Companies Agency. We noticed you're interested in the list of products we picked and would like to share some valuable resources to help you learn more. Feel free to explore these resources at your own convenience, like that, and we continue. So that is that for the project. So let's see if we can quickly fill a form. So I'm just going to fill a form and test each part. And okay, let's first use what we already filled here in this form, this input here, to test the Zap so that you see the messages we get. So let's just go here and I click on continue, then I retest the step. I want to show you the email. This one is for hot leads. Let's do the same for warm leads. Then we'll just go and check the messages all at once. We've tested this one. Let's test for the cold lead. So let's go and check our email for the responses. So these are the 3 leads that we sent. You can see that their subjects are different. Resources to help you get started. Here's how we can help you. Let's get started. All sent around the same time, 12:04. So we can just open it and see how it looks like. Doesn't this look good? Tell me, doesn't this look good? So this is the first one. This should be for the cold lead, this should be for the warm leads, and for the hot leads. So you can see how organized, detailed, and well paragraphed the messages came in because of the way we formatted it. So yeah, that is what you can do with this. So for the sake of demo, to see that this happens live, let's quickly fill in it detail and we test it. So I'm not going to publish it, I'm just going to do it and test the response. So I'll just put in an email. Before I put in the email, let me just put in any name of my choice, so that let's just feel I can put John and list of products. I'll just pick any random product at all, and then could just book anything. I can say I urgently need to create the deliver deliverables for the ones I picked on the list, as I need to share with my team by next Monday. So I'm trying to create some source of urgency here. So let's just go back and put an email here. There's no reason why I refuse to put the email first. It was just a matter of choice, so that you're not thinking of, okay, where did we find, let's just say at a networking event. That's where I found them. I think I've picked everything. Let's submit. So let's check out CRM tool for, okay, no, this will not work because my Zap is not published. So I'll just come here and pick it as a record. So this particular Zap doesn't have the pro has expired, so I cannot publish for you to automatically see all of that happen. So I have to test it step by step. So let's just go here and I'll just click on find records again, and it will pick the new record I have created. So form response B, you can see blessing, you can see I've picked a networking event, you can see John. So let's go ahead, and we've already picked that as our sample. Let's continue. Let's go to Airtable, and okay, we have to continue with the selected results. Record, yes. We'll go to continue, and we retest, and you can see blessing. It was joy before, you can see blessing. So yeah, you can see it has populated. Blessing just populated now. That works. So let's go back and continue. Continue. ChatGPT will now classify the lead, whether it is hot. Okay. Okay, the description has been populated here. Let's continue. Okay, it categorizes it as a warm lead. Looks like it doesn't see it as an urgent need. So let's retest the step. Okay, as I retested the step, it has changed it to hot leads, showing that it's a hot lead because it's supposed to show that it's a hot lead with the way it sounds like an emergency or urgency. So we retest the step and it takes it down to ChatGPT, to Google Sheets. We go through each step, we test the step 2 here. So if this was published, as soon as I filled that form, everything should have automated on its own by publishing. But if I click on this publish, my automation has expired and that will not publish. So let's go and check our form, our sheets, I mean to say. Yeah, that has been populated automatically. You can see the time is populated 11:15, 11:15, and it's supposed to be 12:15, but it's showing 11:15. That should be an error. So let's go back again. We retest the step, and when we do retest the step, it should move to any of these. Normally it should move straight to hot leads because it has already showed that it's a hot lead. So let's just go here and continue and continue. Let's retest the step, and the email has been sent. So we'll go and check the email now. So this is the email sent 0 minutes ago. So this is the email that was received, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's basically this walkthrough for this demo, and I'm hoping you understand it and you're able to practicalize. And just so if you publish, make sure that you would have had a sample record to test to have this set up, and when you do, you publish, then fill the form, and everything should just work automatically. And when you do, I'd love to read the feedback from you in the comment section of this video. Once more, my name is Adeze, and it was nice walking you through this demo. Do take care.